Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to welcome to another episode of Mark's Test. Today we are here playing on the PC, or otherwise as a computer. We are here playing Nyan Cat. This game was not requested by anybody, but I was just on the computer watching some YouTube, and I decided just to play some Nyan Cat. So let's jump right into this. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. This is not my first time playing. The sound's just funny. It's not my first time playing, so let's get right into this. Click to jump, click twice to jump higher. That's really all I need to know. So let me know in the comments below. Okay, Nana, what? Okay, his computer's up. Oh, attack Nyan, I kill you. Okay, this computer's kind of freezing a little bit. Did I hit what? Okay, so this is like my third second and third time playing Nyan Cat. And all I used to know what to do is like collect the food and stuff. So yeah, later on tonight, later on tonight there will be a Spider-Man video going up for my friend that requested it, so that we'll try to get that up today, and then Merry Christmas if you don't. Well, tomorrow's Christmas, so I'll be uploading a video, so probably uploading a video on Christmas. Oh god. Okay, so let's try to get up to 50 likes on this video. It only takes a second of your day to leave a like. So yeah, that's really it. I don't think I should go on that. Oh, I'm supposed to go on, okay. So yeah, that's really a, oh no! Oh no! Can you concentrate now? Oh yeah, so it only takes a couple seconds of your day, and it really supports me a lot for me knowing that you guys like my videos and want me to post more. Let me know in the comments below which game you'd like me to do next on the PC. I'll try to get that. I'll try to get it. And so yeah, just let me know in the comments below which game you'd like me to play next. It could be on the Wii, Xbox. Yeah, Wii, Xbox, or PC. So yeah, okay, so question of the day. Trying to think of Nyan Cat related. Oh, okay. Question of the day. What are you gonna do tomorrow for Christmas? And if you don't celebrate Christmas, just say what you're gonna do tomorrow. So yeah, you do that and you'll get a shout out in the next video, definitely. So this video is gonna go up on, I want that. It's gonna go up on Christmas Day. Oh, what? Yeah, so wait, what? I didn't land on that? Okay, this game is pretty. The computer keeps on freezing. It even said Nyan Cat got frozen in space. Okay. Oh, please What? Oh, so you put it up here. Okay, my computer's really freezing right now. Oh! Come on, Nyan Cat. Yeah, so let me know if you have played this game also. If you have played this game also. And yeah, tell me how good. Woo! Tell me how good you are. Superman. Super Nyan, okay. The cat who farts out rainbows. So every time you get it power up, the power up you have goes away. Okay, I guess that can make sense. I want that ice cream though. So you get more points. I want to know what that is right there. Crack Nyan? So these are like drugs? What? What? It said crack Nyan? What? I never knew crack looked like that. Oh, man. This game. I'm on the bottom row. Oh, about to fail. Crack Nyan. Oh! I never knew crack wore off that quickly. There's enough. This game has a lot of crack in it, I gotta say. Oh! This computer keeps on freezing, so I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, Super Nyan. I want that milk and the candy canes. What is that jewel? I can't get it because the computer is freezing. Is it the app? That is... That... Oh! Oh shoot, I just pressed the button. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, we'll be right back to the video. As you see, we're having technical difficulties. Okay, guys, we're back. Sorry about that. The computer, as you saw, was freezing. Crack Nyan, run faster. Oh, so yeah, that thing does. Okay, get rid of your phone. So I'm trying to avoid that thinking it was like, the first thing I get is a Crack Nyan? Okay. Oh, I'm about to die. Ah! I don't know why. I used to be so good at this game. There'll be a part 2 to this. There'll be a part 2 to this Nyan Cat series. Avoid that dog. Could've got that Crack Nyan. Okay, question of the day. Okay, another question of the day. Oh my god. Okay. Ow. Okay, so what? Okay, sorry. Oh, I'm about to kill myself. Yeah. This computer is like, when I'm trying to click, it's not clicking, but I banged my hand on the freaking desktop. Okay, so I'm trying to avoid that guy. What? Wait, so you're basically not supposed to, okay. So the game just told me you're not supposed to, so what? You're not supposed to survive. Long life milk? So easy, Tech Nyan. What? What? I never knew you were supposed to What? I never knew I could kill you. Get the Superman. I just saw another crack now. I think. Wait, are these sausages? Tell me in the comments below if I'm running on sausages, please. Unless that's just my eyes, but those are sausages. Okay. Oh, so that happens whenever I click off the screen. If I can. To wrap the video up here. Remember, let's get this part right. Remember, sorry for awkward silence. I want to hear that music here. Remember, question of the day is, what are you doing tomorrow for Christmas? And if you don't celebrate Christmas, what are you doing tomorrow? And the other question of the day is, I can just do this forever. The other question of the day is, the other question of the day is, how good are you in Nyan Cat? Oh, dang, she just said WTF troll. Dang, this cat. Yeah, so the question of the day, what are you doing tomorrow? The question of the day is, what is your highest score in Nyan Cat? Tell me that in the comments below, and you'll get a shout out in the next video, which is probably be uploaded tomorrow. So if you put a comment about those two questions, of those two questions, you'll get a shout out in tomorrow's video, on a Christmas video. So make sure to drop a like. Let's try to get to at least 50 likes in this video. I know we can do it. It only takes like a second of your day, and it helps me out a lot. And please like, subscribe, and leave that question of the day comment, and you'll get a shout out. See you in the next video. Peace.